Hello traders, hope you are all doing great, and I'm sure you must be waiting for this video because many of you might know that if you are my old followers, you might know I have shorted the market extensively. That means I have shorted 18,000 above till 18,400, and today it has given problem. It has started giving problem. Of course, I have gone completely wrong. I miscalculated. I thought 18,000 will not cross, and it has almost today I think it has crossed above 18,000, even 100. High was around 18,100, right? So what is the scene here, or what is going to happen? We will have to fight back. We will have to do all kind of circus to make these things work in favor of us. Maybe we will try to do, we have already done some adjustments, and we have extended the range for our 18,000 call option and 18,100 call option. In case it keeps on going up, maybe we will have to book some losses and exit. But one good thing what we did is that we did the strategy, or we deployed the strategy when India VIX was around 20, not 20, maybe 19.5 or 19.8. But now India VIX, as of now, as I talk to you, India VIX has come down drastically to maybe 17.5 or 17.28 or something. Today alone India VIX has dropped by 2.58%, right? So that way, if you see, our trade is not in a big loss, but at the same time it is in a loss. We have to make some gimmicks to make it come into profit. So there are lots of things we have to do. We have to allocate funds, we have to redirect some funds, we have to square off some strategies, and we have to square off some long-term strategies and bring the funds to this 18,000 above call option. And you might know that in India, particularly in India, option selling is expensive, and making adjustment to those option is super expensive, right? So let us see how things pan out. I'll keep you posted. No, don't worry, I have completely gone wrong. Maybe we will see what happens, but last time I did the same thing. Last month expiry, August expiry, and we were able to make good amount of profit. Same technique we applied for this expiry also, but we went terribly wrong. Let's see. This is part and parcel of this stock market, nothing to worry about. And the thing is, now what happens is here, what is happening here is, today is US CPI inflation data is going to come out. Everybody is expecting around below 5.9%. I think this website is not working. So what is going to happen is, you know that Federal Reserve has been increasing the interest rate for the last 5 to 6 months, and in spite of doing all this, core inflation rate stood at 5.9% for the last 2 months. So in case if it comes above 5.9%, what will happen is, market will take that as a negative thing and market may come down. So that's why we have done adjustment, but not an extensive or aggressive adjustment to our trades. In case as core CPI inflation comes above 5.9%, that is going to be a negative thing. Why? I'll tell you. Because in spite of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate aggressively, every time they come out, they increase 50 basis point to 75 basis point. Still, if the inflation is not coming down, means then Federal Reserve will be left out, have to increase the rate aggressively, more aggressively in the coming meetings. So in case if it is above 5.9%, market is going to take that as negative sentiment and market may come down. In case it is below 5.9%, then we may see market rallying up, because since the inflation has come down, Federal Reserve may not increase the interest rate. So that is the general belief. I don't know what is happening. This trading economics is not working. I think time is around 6 o'clock. Let me see if US core inflation data has come. Let me check some other website. Yeah. So let me check this one. Yes, I don't think it has come yet. Yeah, no, it has not yet come. Actually, this trading economy will this thing will give all the details, but it is not giving it yet. Let me check one more time. I think I think yeah, it has come out, and this time it has come out 6.3%. That is a really bad news. So if you see here, last time it was 5.9%. Before that was also it was 5.9%. This time it has come out by 6.3%. Now what is going to happen? We will have to check the US futures if it is in green or in the red, right? Let us see US futures. Yes. When our market closed, US futures were all in the green. Now Dow Jones has come to around 2. When our market closed, Dow Jones was up by 281 points. Now it is down by more than 292 points. S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is down. So that's what I told. In spite of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate for the last 6 months, still inflation rate is not increasing or not going up, coming down, means Federal Reserve will have to increase the interest rate going forward. They will have to increase the interest rate aggressively. And as I told you just 2 minutes back, I told if it is coming on the higher side, which is by 6.9, 6.3%. So this is a negative news, and market tomorrow we may gap down. So this is what we have. And today's market, everyone was bullish in the market, and everyone was writing put option. 18,000 call raters had to run for cover, and Bank Nifty 40,800 people. I saw 40,800 call having aggressive calls being returned. Still it is there 41. Now it is 41,000. In fact, 41,000 call option is having the highest open interest among call option. So let us see how things pan out tomorrow. Hopefully, if the US market opens in red, and if we are going down, maybe we will gap down tomorrow. This is the problem with Indian market. Last 2 days back, Indian market came out with inflation data. Nobody even cared about that. That was a non-event. Now US futures is trading in the green, red, and of course US our SGX Nifty will also trade in the red, right? So this is how things are happening. There is nothing much we can do. This is how market works. We don't follow our market. In fact, we follow other market. So let us see. Today call raters was chopped out. Tomorrow maybe put raters will be chopped. People are written even 17,900, 18,000 put option. I don't know what is going to happen. In case the market gaps down tomorrow, we will have some thing to breathe, because as I told you, I haven't shorted the market. I haven't done any adjustment so aggressively. We have done very small adjustments only. In case, that's what we have extended the range till 18,300 or 400. Still our 18,200, 300, 400, 500 call option will be in profit. In that way, if it gaps down tomorrow, we will be in maybe decent profit, right? So let us see how things pan out. This is the news which I have got. So let us see how things pan out tomorrow. Maybe we will gap down tomorrow. I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.